Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special, and guys, it's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So right now, today, the sky is blue in color, guys. You can see, and then the sunrise from this side. You can see I'm pointing. That's the sun right there, guys. Right. So this I'm calling home. Right, there's some clothes for my sisters, for my brothers, and I myself. So guys, right now I just wake up early in the morning, and we thank God for everything, guys. So on today's videos, it's a huge surprise by itself. And when I arrived home, guys, I told you it's surprise after surprise. So today I'm going to surprise my African mom. She doesn't have clothes going on, and me, I just pull up outside. So right now, I think my house is purely clean, guys. You see, wow. So I'm gonna put the curtain here, for my privacy. Yeah, guys, yeah, for my privacy, for sure, guys. People need privacy. Wow, that's how my house looks like. Super clean, organized. So guys, soon I want to have the soul, because I have small TV, have the system down here. You can see right there. That's the system, and it's Sayona, guys. That's how I arrange things, and me, I appreciate, guys. So guys, in case you're new here, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, by supporting I myself, watching my videos, watching the ads. At least, guys, I do something which you can see at the end of the month. So for my silent subscriber, thank you so much. My God bless you. And for my public subscriber who watch my video and subscribe, thank you so much. So at this moment, I'm gonna head outside. I've already taken my baby. So my last video which I made, I was taking my bike to the garage. Actually, my first bike. So people, one of my subscribers asked me, "Hello, baby, that's not your bike. Like, my bike is blue. Remember, I have my first bike, which is Honda, covered by like something like black, So I take them to the garage right now. It's okay, and the guy report the money to my mama. So my mom used that cash to buy maybe veggies here and there, So today, I think you'll see these videos, what I'm going to buy for my mom, and also I think for my sister, guys. I don't want to leave my sister behind. When I'm around at home, I'm gonna surprise her. Mom, wherever you are, thank you so much. My God bless you, and let's flow the vibe till the end. So it's crazy. I wash my face and I brush my tooth. I left some toothpaste here. Yeah, it's something like, oh man, you see. Yeah, this is the cup here. Imagine, guys, I left my stuff, but I have sharp mind, guys. I didn't like, Baby, put down here, guys. Don't mind, guys. At this moment, no light here. Hey. Alright, guys. So let me take you outside to see how our days go. I close my house because of the dust and everything. So here we left the fresh air going inside, and then all stuff. Guys, I hope everybody are doing good, and on my side, I just doing amazing. guys. So when I'm around sorry guys, sorry. When I'm around at my village, it's matter of vibing, guys, you know, right, left, center. So let's go. Please guys, give a video a like, subscribe, comment, share, and that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Let's go, guys. You know, this video, it's a kind of motivation, and yeah, I appreciate it, you know. So first thing, let me take you outside of, right, you have water here right there, but I don't want to mislead water, because when it's a dry season, I don't know how we're supposed to do, because the borehole collapsed. So right now we're using water direct from the tank, and it's reached at which point? I think right now the water, it's reached here, from the bottom up to the top. It reached at this point. Wow. Yeah. See my African mom right there. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good, mom?
I am good.
Yes. This fire out here. And I think she was preparing tea, guys. So, guys, shh. I don't want to tell my mama what's going on. May I just pull up when everything's done. See? So that's fire. That's milk tea right there. Yeah. We're ready to go. Right. So guys, I wanna get outside and to see how the day goes, you know. Hey sister, say hello.
Hello.
Hey, wavadela we Mombasa. Right guys, imagine today it's a holiday, you know. I think from yesterday, it's on a Sunday, they were being celebrate, I think it's Madaraka Day, I don't know, first date on June, you know. Yabon, so it's a holiday up to now. Maybe tomorrow they went back to school. So let's go, guys, see how our days go, you know. My baby is waiting me right there, and yeah, that's how our home looks. Calm, chilly, you know, full of avocados, fruits here. I'm gonna show you guys. Actually, there are two in pairs. You can see right here, this avocado. We have another one here. Yeah, man, it's a lot. Look, even other side, I think you can see some fruits right there. It's a lot. Wow. And at this particular time, at the same time, my brother is harvesting the maize on the other side. So maybe later when I came from Border Town, I'll show you guys, you know. Guys, I'm so grateful for your full support. I can't take for granted. I want to say thank you so much, guys. Without you, I couldn't maybe where I am today, you know. I made a lot of things here and there on my side, and I appreciate, including this structure that you see here, and the huge project is coming, you know, at this time. So guys, when I'm back home, I want to concentrate to gather more materials, guys, you know. So I don't want maybe when I'm start building, the house reach at this point. I'm just believing God. When I start from the foundation, maybe the house will stop, maybe at the rental, guys. So I'm trying to work so hard here and there, and put more videos, so at least at the end of the month I get maybe $100, maybe $150 at a time. And for those people who are supporting me in financial way, my God bless you abundantly, and wherever you take it, my God add triple, guys. So at this case, I think let me check the kitchen garden, guys. You know, this is the kind the life that we are living here. Imagine. Also, these are veggies here. We're so blessed, man. These are veggies, and you can maybe like eat like 1 year staying here. Also, you have the pumpkin leaves here. You know, we have right there. We have kales. We have tomatoes. At the same time, guys, it's a small kitchen garden, but well organized. Look, these tomatoes right here, tomatoes, and also on this side here we're gonna have kales. You can see the broad leaves. Look right here, very healthy. We have onions, man, and I think when the time reach, I want to cut these trees down. We expand maybe a little bit kitchen garden to further end right there. At least we have more veggies, you know. Man, in Africa we're so blessed, especially in land. They're doing well, fertile land. You can see there's the maize come right here. Look, even right now you want to roast maize just over here. Imagine, simple life. Simple life. And I stole this red sand that you see here for the good purposes, guys. You know, when I'm going to to construct a foundation, and then I want to cover, like to compact, you know, I will use this one and the other side on the borehole right there. So guys, me, I'm showing you how things is here before I left, and I think, yeah, you will see, guys. You will see, guys. You know, we have firewood right now here. We have plenty of avocado trees, but this one here is totally messed up, dry up. I don't know what is the problem, you know. Right, that's my baby. And for those people asking me yesterday, like one of my subscribers, where is your blue motorbike? Just over here, relaxing. So this is for my own purposes. Like, it's a private jet. It takes me around through the village, looking the content, right, left, center, and then yeah, I come back home. Imagine guys, imagine, by supporting me, I have my own bike, you know, and it's purely my hard working, guys. I'm telling you, I'm not lying or like faking things here and there, right, left, center. No. I just, like, it's purely hard working, guys. I can't complain. You know, when I see things like this, I appreciate, guys. Imagine from handman on a motorbike, from a handman to build a toilet. You know, I do a lot of things here and there. You know, me, I appreciate. And wherever you are, guys, go and check David Jr. on YouTube channel. Subscribe to his channel. And he was a good mentor to me. He showed me a lot of things here and there. He advised me, although maybe there's some issues going, but we solve the issues, guys. Everything will be okay. Like, man, you know, without him I could maybe nothing else, guys. But he introduced me on this platform. He mentored me right to center. Me, I appreciate, guys, what he done for me. I appreciate, you know, taking my sister to school, you know. Right now she was enjoying here. 20. Yeah. Hey, that sister. One day she remember me. Oh, my brother took me to school here and there. All right. So people are harvesting maize on the other side right there. When I came from Border Town, I'll show you. That's some goats, guys. Also, guys, when I come on this side here, I think the stones are not enough, because I have like 2 trips, you know, so the stones are not enough. I supposed to add like 2 3 and then I close the chapter. And also I'll add the sand. I think like one lorry, because I need extra sand, because I don't want maybe when I'm constructing the sand mess up, you know. Wow, I think, guys, what do you think? Should I add 2 more or 1 more? For this case, I think I'm gonna add maybe 2 or 1 more, guys. So yeah, that's the budget that I have on my mind. As I wait the maize to be harvested on other side. Yeah guys, so I have been given some quotation of the blocks, 2,500, but on my side I'll start with the 2,000, because I wanna see my mama house coming in good shape, like. So guys, let's go in Border Town. So right now I want to take the rubber tube to tight the stuff that I'm going to pick in Border Town. And you see, guys, our cows are chilling here, you know. Yes, we have another one, that one here. Yeah, I love this bull, small bull baby. Yeah, how come not aggressive? When you do like it's to make the cow to be lax, to be stoppable. Guys, you wait, the house is coming in good shape. And I know most of the people, you're waiting the time to be like boom, deadline, like you will see, guys. Yeah, so let's go this way. And also, guys, I supposed to check my bike how it's doing. At the same time, maybe by tomorrow's videos, I'm going to visit my friend's land. You know, since I left from my village close to 1 week, going to Mombasa, enjoying, and then coming back to the village. I'm supposed to be in there to see how things go. So at this case, guys, let's see how things go. Let's see how things go. Those are Mabati gates, a small door, but it's a gate, you know. Yeah. Can even okay, man. Yeah, I need this stuff. You know, this one here for tightening the luggage, guys. So my mama put like this is a milk tea here, guys. Oh, my mama prepare for me. Wow. Yeah, there's some tea here, guys. You know, I'm supposed to keep it, and then later on I'll come and take it, guys. So it's time to go. Please be with me, guys. You know. Oh, can't no go on. Mom, she was milking the cow, this baby calf. Her mother is just outside. Yeah, see, their mother just right there. Wow, I think, guys, it's about time to go and do everything, guys. You know, but I don't mind like telling this brother there. Can you keep it on my pocket? Bruno, you good? Oh, no. Me, I'm going to Border Town. Stop it. Yeah. Hey, the dog makes me to be that. Stop it, Bruno. No. I'm coming to play with you. Relax, baby. Yeah, my dog needs to play with it a little bit because when I was not around. Yeah, go. No, go. Oh, guys, shit! I left the key. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next videos. Maybe we'll meet him on the road going. Right, guys. So let's go. Wow, I left home in good way. yeah, guys. So when I'm around at the village, my mama got surprised, you know, day by day, guys. What a town! Our village is full of green, full of nature, you can say, guys. Yeah, guys. Let's go. Yeah. When I'm around at my village, things run in smoothly ways, you know. Oh. Right now they have already constructed the road, like, to renovate it. Okay. Whoa. That's village shop right there. Yeah, guys, at the time it's good to make huge shopping, which can serve maybe 3 per month, and to avoid maybe expenses, maybe for daily expenses, maybe daily, like more expensive, you know. You buy once and then you forgot it. That was a cheapest right there. Go. Yeah. This video is raw and uncut. Start from my home up to border town. Nothing to be edited, guys, here. Whoa. Motorbike. I see some sunflowers plantation right there. For sure, guys. Today you see me how I'm struggling, like, to tie the back, like the shopping, you know. This place are popular, guys. You normally pass here every day. Nothing to be changed. You know? Yeah. At least on this side here, government did something maybe good, like to renovate the road, you know. But actually, maybe, let me say, when the election reach, everything will be okay. Hit the tarmac road like crazy. Hey, nice baby parking there. You know. Let's move, let's move, let's move, let's move. Wow. The guy is riding the bicycle. Oh, yeah. Yeah, guys, you know, sometime I got surprised. You see that house? Nice one. Passing here. That are full of tractors, guys. You can see them right now here. Taking a your time. Oh. Alright. Let's go. Guys, I'm telling you, from this year, from March up to now, they are buying maize from Tanzania, from Zambia, Zimbabwe. Man. That's shit right there. Hey. At this point, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Up to Border Town. Nowadays it's a business center, guys. You can see full of maize right here. Man, it's a lot. You know. Okay. Let's go. Wow. That's matatu van. Whoa, that's the KK. You know? Lion of Judah. That's matatu van. That's Vania police station right here. Whoa. Yeah. We normally come in Border Town. Make shopping every day, guys. I'm telling you, for my entire life, like, I make shopping here, you know. Wow. I see tourist vehicle right there. Right. Let's move, guys. Wow. Guys, here you must be very careful. Very careful. Very, very, very. You know? Or else You may be knocked some. Very, very, very careful. Right. Guys, today I changed the direction and I gonna buy some make shopping within here, you know. Oh my god. Okay. I need this 10 liter. Ayatata Rusian. Kubwa ni shinga.
Mama ni tosi analenga.
Hiyo.
2050.
Sawa. Gani? Toa hivi unajua sasa hivi hali. Asunitolee ndo ile ingine. Nika blue. Gani ndio nzuri?
Halo. Nimekupigia ukao kumtaja na sasa niko na wateja utasikia.
Last time nilitumiaga ile.
Ile. Si hata ni nzuri.
Bana omo ni omo. Ni haya? This. Try this. I'm telling you, this fasting. Fresh. Right. This for the. Also have this. We have one box for the soap, so I need to buy this. It's 3.5 kg, and also cooking oil. It's silk, guys. You know, 10 liters. Wow. And then I'm heading to buy some fruits on the other side. So let me type them here. Right, guys. Shika. Nataka nichukue kitu hapa.
Alafu na matunda nikupe magani.
Nitakuja nipe maembe.
Haya, karibu sana. Hata lepo hiyo.
Sawa. Hey. Whoa. Correct station. Right. Okay. Yes. Fresh bro.
Unaendaje beka?
Mambo fresh.
Si hata kula hapa hata 50 nyocha hiyo. Toka asubuhi mwanangu.
Twenda hapa mpe msimu. Mara yuko hapo. Tautunegas.
Haina noma.
Fresh. Mambo fresh. Niko poa.
Poa, job nakupelekaje?
Job iko fresh.
Nataka kuona.
Asante.
Unajua tena?
Alright guys, I'm inside here and I'm looking something sweet for my sister, you know. Whoa, let's see what I can buy for my sister. Yeah, maybe this. Okay, let me pick something here. For this, enough for my sister, and also I look the juice, you know, pineapple, yeah, for diluting like that. Running something here and there, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. like this. Yep. And also guys, we love to eat spaghetti guys. Let me see. Maybe this. Let's go guys. Right. And at the same time I'm going to buy some fruits guys, you know, on the other side. Hivi tu 1000 hata uwezi amini. Sasa nione kunanga niweke machungwa. Niweke ya 50.
Nikupa watermelon ya ngapi? Nitakuachia hata kwa 20.
Sina pesa kwa saa hii. Hata huko sijanunua kitu. Nimeacha tu shopping yangu.
Suta send.
Ni send. Sina kwa simu.
Nimekuongeza.
Ndio sasa nini kusema nakopa. Bila msubirie. Okay guys, let's go. Oh my god. Mama heri imeisha je?
Tu alikuwa na
Okay. Hizi vitu 1000 mama, hata huwezi amini.
Sasa kunia ni hivyo.
Tabidi niende nirudi ninunue matunda. Hivi 1000 hizi vitu tu mama. Hivi tu 1000 zimeisha. Acha niende nitarudi ninunue matunda. Mimi nimeshangaa. Kwamba hata ni 500.
Lakini sio umepiga hesabu vizuri.
Zimepitisha. Let's buy some watermelon and mangoes here and then we go back home. You know, at least to have some fruits. But my family didn't like pawpaw. I don't know guys. I don't know. Nataka 150 aka. Gani? Mbona mama 200? Yeah, we need watermelon and mangoes because I've already bought some oranges.
Vipi kwa kwa ni wewe nikupe na kitu. Ukweli wa Mungu.
Toboa tuone. Unipe kwa ngapi? Mama. Nataka 150 na maembe 50. Yeah. Oh my god, this is a cucumber. Very nice. It's street kidney guys. This one that you see here. You know, when you eat this, it's street the kidney. Street the kidney. There's my food shopping right there. I don't know how I'm going to see it on top of the bike. But something crazy guys. Alijaiva si ndio? Tuone ndani. Si unaona siri kuu.
Imeiva. Ile nimeiva.
Tachukua tu shatoboa. Lakini haijaiva, haijakuwa lekundu ndani. Hiyo na maembe, tusitaki vitu mingi.
Na juice.
Shingapi?
100.
Haya, weka.
Unaweka wapi sasa? Hapo kumejaa.
Sasa nitazibebaje Mungu wangu? Yeah. Bruno, I'm back home. Alright guys, I'm back home. We have fruits here. Also inside you have fruits. You have good stuff for my sister. Like cold drink, like juice. Also we have the cooking oil. We have this. Man, it's by God's grace. Me, I said thank you so much. You know. Inside the house we have rice. We have flour for making chapati. So also the soap. The only thing that I'm missing is maybe cooking oil and also this powder soap. You know. Mom, may I wanna say thank you so much. May God bless you for your full support, and wherever you take it, may God add triple. You know, through you right now, my mom will put a smile on her face. Since I arrived home, things will be okay, guys. You know, so I don't want to mention your name, Mom, but wherever you are, my God bless you abundantly. You know, so the shopping just over here, and I took the rest of the money. I buy the battery for my motorbike because, you know, at same time my first bike, it brings some cash, you know. So this is my second bike. You know, for those people who are asking me, where is your blue bike? Just over here, relaxing, you know. So this is for my own purposes, like going to border town, bring shopping, looking for the content, right, left, center. So I'm waiting on Mama to just pull up here and then, you know, surprising her like boom, boom, you know. So this one, it can take us let me say 3 months, you know. If you have let me say $500, you can survive. You can survive. That's my sister right here. She was waiting. She was waiting something here. But even in the morning, I didn't tell anybody, like my mama, I'm going this way, or my sister. May just pull up, and then I want to see the reaction. Since I arrived home, you know, I kept quiet. I kept silent. So right now, let's check. Nyaboni, unileteane simu. You know, wow. So I see my mama from other side right there. Yeah, I want to see both of them some smile on their face, you know. Me, when I get money, it's a matter of supporting my family, you know. So my family, they are making me who I am today. Bring the phone, SIM, and I'm doing like this phone. Yeah. Fine. Let me escort my African mom from other side, seeing the reaction. Mwanamuziki. Vipi?
Oh.
Yeah. Jeshi. Yeah, mama. I brought for you something here.
Oh.
Hey, kwa mtu mwenye amefanya hivi utasemaje?
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm asking my mama for somebody who made it possible. How am I going to say? Mama, say thank you so much, ma'am. Because mama only know how thank you. Asante sana. Yeah. Bring my phone, my sister. And the time is running. Go. Mama is preparing chapati right here. My sister watching. Hey, yeah. Oh my God! Look at this. There's a pancake right there. Hey. Soft life ever. I'm never going to get a city. You don't go up there. Alright guys, I'm just over here sitting with my sister with Dera. Like people who stay in Mombasa wearing these clothes, you know. And she doesn't have clothes going on. So my sister have one of I think so many friends who take care of her, you know, supporting her in terms of going to school, you know. And right now, guys, mom, me wanna say thank you so much for supporting my sister. I make a side for her shopping right here. She was smiling, guys. You wanna see, guys? You know, she was smiling, guys. So right now, let me open here. Let me open here for my sister. You know, full of bag that you see here. It's meant for my sister. These potatoes clips. It's flavor, right? The same time, these are mangoes. You can eat overall. You know, like one of these goes to $1. Also, yeah, this one is meant for my sister. Yeah, this one also meant for my sister. Yeah, it's a rice cake, guys. You know, I have been told to buy for my sister snacks or snack. I found this. I think the categories of snack. Also, I bought for her yeah, this one in the morning. We're gonna take spaghetti as our breakfast, you know. But it's been a while, guys, without eating this stuff, you know. Yeah, so this one's for my sister. Yeah, guys, it's coming. Look, except this one, we eat general. You see, guys, yeah, take that one. It's meant for you, guys. Right there.
Asante.
Yes, asante means thank you. I asked my sister for the somebody who made it possible, how am I going to say? She said, thank you so much, mom. And she appreciated, guys. You know, I just gifted her with a small shopping. And also, we have other right now here. And also we have another bag like this one, but the green one. Have some fruits. I think by tomorrow morning we wanna enjoy it, you know, as breakfast. So right now, it's good to eat fruits every morning, you know. Yeah. All right, guys, we're still going. Construction takes place on the other side. Wow, look at me on the other side, guys. Hey, beautiful ladies. No wonder. Okay, Dorina, say hello.
Hello guys, let's see.
Okay, hold.
You don't know she's busy. Hello baby.
Yes.
You know you like you know. Hi guys, welcome to the Quick Official channel, guys. My name is Dorina Anna Scolisha, and if you're new here, you don't know me, check me out. Today is a beautiful vlog, amazing day. Yeah, we're heading to going some place. Yeah, I know baby is my own bike. Yeah, he's my rider today. For today, yeah, he's taking me for some place to going to do something. Yeah, and here we meet. Yeah, and here we go. Let's go. Give the video a like if you're watching. Subscribe, comment, share, guys. We will really appreciate your support. We are in the road, and then baby official Manuele.
Yeah, Manuele.
Dread.
That's my
Dread guy. Jamaica, man.
Yeah, I'm a Jamaican.
You're Jamaican.
I'm from Jamaica.
Okay.
One love.
Yes. Okay, guys, give a video a like, comment, share. Check me out, Dorina _Elisha. I will really appreciate. If you are there, subscribe. Road to success. Yeah. And if you are here, you don't subscribe, please subscribe. Let's go, guys. Today is the day. Today is today. I can show the road. This is the road for Sierra Leone. Hey, now people is packing the food.
Yeah.
Hey, you.
I'm telling Dorina to show people in front, you know. Wagwan, let's go. Also guys, check out Felix Stars on YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel guys. Road to success. In front of me I have the luggage. At the same time I'm riding, man. Look, that right there. People are crossing the road like that. You see? Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Yup. Yeah, in the morning I was been here. Look at that. Full bag of maize. Hey. Africa. Our motherland. Right guys. Actually I'm a good driver. You know. Wow. That's class. And guys, the good thing is I have the side mirror on my bike, so don't mind guys. Dorina is enjoying the ride. Odipo! Hey! Yeah, people calling me boss. Guys, one day I'll be a boss, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Yes. Look, people are working to put something on the table. Sure. I see traffic police. You see? Naiona. Don't fear, Dorina. I'm with you. I'm with you, Dorina. Dorina fear the car right here. Yeah, I know life is good. Hey, people are riding the bicycle. Maisha. Nikuchukua content. Yeah guys, outside here life is sweet and we wanna take care of ourselves guys, you know. Yeah, I don't want to play, you know. Hey, we can't imagine that road is going to Nairobi. We can't imagine because it's already picked the base. People are driving guys. Also I myself am driving, you know. Yeah guys, may thank God for everything that I do on behalf of myself. God is good, you know. To have a motorbike like this from a handman, man, that's another history. Right, let's go. Today the weather is so good, not gloomy, you know. And yeah, we're fully outside like that. We have a nice house here, but this tree is blocked, you can't see. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Construction take place on other upcoming restaurant. No one there. Guys, this video will end with a lot of happiness, guys. Back to the village, vibing, and this video is all about surprise. Surprise! Surprise! This is Nyabuhansa, guys. Hakuna video. Okay, that's how Nyabuhansa looks like on camera during daytime. You know, siwezi. Right, it's gonna rain anytime, guys. Let's go, guys.
Where is it?
Sawa. Let's go, guys. So right now we are 3 people in the motor. Right, this is a sharp corner. We need to slow down. You know, this is a sharp corner. Yes, yeah.
How are you enjoying your ride?
Yeah, I'm enjoying food.
I wish you could just take that chance of the river.
Anyway, guys, you know, ndio siwezi kuangusha. Na vlogging mara kila siku nikienda boda, niko najua. Let's go, guys. Hey! Hii ni Nyabuhansa wetu, si mnaona tu. Hapa ni magorofa.
Nyabuhansa City.
Yeah, Nyabuhansa City, guys. I see the kids like fetching firewood. You can see village life.
That's the village.
Yeah. Yes, I'm very touched. What are you guys? Boom. Hey, that's great. Yeah, guys.
Guys, give the video a like and remember.
Yes. Go this way, guys. Everything's manganyo. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. We're gonna show you guys amazing things here and there. This is my brother. MJ. You're good, my friend. Say hello.
Hello.
So you introduce, say hello.
Hello.
Guys, subscribe to Chacha.
Mambo vipi?
Mambo fresh.
Live, welcome.
Yeah.
Come here.
Job.
Yo man, job. Yani yo man. Yo man.
That's huyu jamaa.
Okay, welcome.
Kana hewa kore,
Yani
guys.
feel at home.
Yeah, feel at
No
home.
problem. Here.
Right, guys. Guchani. Tunakia wageni hapa. Nani? Sasa hapa nimefikia. Guys, this place are not good. Let me pause my camera. Look at that.
Guys, this is Royal Kim and the Kim is Sketch the Boyem. Welcome, hello baby bro.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jamani, watu washuke.
Karibu sana.
Jamani, watu washuke. Yeah, this is my last destination. You know, no problem.
Yeah.
Dorina?
Yeah.
Me, I'm carrying a small pouch. Pouch limetuna. Well, Kim,
Yellow baby.
I'm back again.
Welcome, bro. Welcome again. We're here doing a little bit of clamping, controlling water erosion, fixing some gutters, and you know,
Yeah.
man.
Why don't you harvest this water? Okay. Let me give you Dorina this first. Hey, Dorina, take this.
Hey, kijana, asante sana.
There's fire burning here, guys. Woo!
We have harvested on the back this side because of that small tank there for our sink and our toilet there.
Okay.
And then the other one, I've channeled it to go on the side because you know that this place is so small.
Yes.
Yeah, so I have like 1,000 liters. We have a small tap here also.
Yeah.
Setting up a tap in the farm.
Say hello.
Hello,
You good?
I'm fine.
Mbona usikoroge kitu ngeke ile pipe?
Ni step number 1. Yani hii ni step 1. So
Hamna, wangekuwekea ile pipe.
Nakwambia.
Ona hii PVC kwa wapi? Ile ya maji. Wekeane na afu koroge.
Ndio hiyo nakwambia for now ni kuset tu tuna set. Yaani tutarudi kukorogea sasa. Haina shida.
Okay.
For now tuna set kwanza.
Kama ilikuwa
Inafaa ivalishwe
ingeivarisha
ikiwa ndani before I your tap. Juu itakuwa weak.
Iko wapi hiyo?
This one, I think it's this one. Yeah, guys, I come with a good idea.
Thank you, hello baby.
Yes. Yeah. For the weakness
Yeah.
of the tap.
Yeah. So let me bring you something like a handsaw. You cut. Itabidi umetoa kwanza.
Hey.
Hello baby,
I'm
let me
good.
come with nini?
Okay. Yeah, guys, you see, I came here and then I found some plumbing going on, and I advised my brother just fix this PVC. Boom. You know, this will be weak. Yay!
Hi,
I'm good.
I'm doing your job.
Yes. Yeah, we're gonna see, guys,
nisaidie na hiyo.
what we try to mean, you know, and yeah. Guys, for sure, I'm a simple guy. I don't want to see maybe my brother, maybe something mess up and then I keep quiet. No. You know, we want to advise each other. Each other. Yeah. Taking the measurement. You wait, Kim, and then you see.
Yeah, bro.
Yes.
Let's see. Oh, so this one is important because of the cement.
Yes, and then to make the tap to be strong. You see? Like that.
Oh.
And then you put the concrete inside.
Okay. Thank you, bro, man.
Okay.
Thank you at least. Thank you. So, kwa hivyo watu wache na hiyo piece ikae hapo.
Hiyo
Tapu iwekwe sasa.
tapu inawekwa afu korogea safu iwe ngumu.
Okay. Haya basi kwa sawa. Upate tapu iko hapo ndani.
Hivyo si ikikorogea inakuwaga ngumu.
So this is the progress, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, man. This is what we have done so far. We're trying to also get water. Go to the toilet because we have a flush toilet there. Yeah. We have a flush toilet there.
This is a well-organized cabin
Yeah,
in
man.
our village.
Yeah. Trying to make it have the best life ever. Yeah, man.
Okay.
We also have something else coming here.
Which one?
It's did I show you the last time you were here?
No.
This is
You want to build a house?
it's not just a house, It's an outdoor kitchen, But it's a nigorofa. It's a story building. See the foundation?
Okay. It's a cabin?
Yeah, a cabin and with the kitchen on the
Me, I think inside
ground floor.
here, you want to put the steel bar and then you mix the concrete. You know, careful.
No, the thing is that we're going to do these poles. You see these heavy ones, but now use ballasts and everything to just make it more stable.
Okay.
And then set another room up there, kama gorofa.
Sasa utakuwa unaishi juu?
Si kuishi juu. Juu itakuwa kama si hoteli, si restaurant, but wageni wangu, when my visitors come, this is like the ground area is like their kitchen, the dispense bar. Up there it's like a place to relax.
Okay.
Play some
I watch
games.
those cabin, I know.
Yeah, exactly.
well.
That's what it is.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Me, I think I will left this place. I'm going back home.
Okay.
Please let me greet. I think
Yeah,
Kiza
there
is
is a
just
lot of people at the
Yes.
front area, man.
Okay.
Take your time. Welcome, bro.
yeah. Guys, I don't want to be unselfishness. you know, let me greet each other and then boom, we go. Eh. Na kujeni hapo jamani. Yeah man.
Yeah.
Wagwan. You good?
Man, are you live?
Yeah.
Hello, baby.
Yes.
How are you, man?
I'm good, bro.
Yeah. Is everything okay? Yeah.
Everything's okay.
Welcome today to this place.
Okay.
It's been a minute
Okay.
since we've been here. And people from Hello Baby, actually my name is Kiza KE from East Africa, Kenya. And thank you so much, Hello Baby, for having me on your channel.
Okay.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate you being here and also hosting me on your
Alright,
channel.
it's a random, maybe passing here, giving people shout out and then I go back home.
Okay,
Yes.
but you're welcome, man.
Okay.
Yeah, feel free.
Okay.
And go around. There are so many people.
Yeah, this, hey, how to record now, Jaman? My sister, say hello.
Hi,
You good?
I'm good and
Yes.
how are you?
Yeah, I'm also good. It's been a while.
Yes.
Yes. Right now, are you okay?
Yes, I'm doing okay now.
Not okay. Bring us there.
Soda. Right now, I didn't have soda. But forgive me. Introduce yourself. Me, I'm just going.
My name is John Elepenga. I am a Malawian YouTuber here in Nyabohansi.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll soon be leaving, by the way.
Why?
Because I'm done with my mission.
My mission done.
Yes, I'm monetized. Yeah, I'll soon be having like a party. Yeah, I'll invite you guys.
Okay.
Yes.
You can go to Malawi and then come back home. This is home.
No, but do you know what? You can find here a very nice husband. And
Ah,
make a future.
no.
Not now, bro.
I do not
Let
want
her make
husband.
her life and then things will
Ah,
be
no,
sorted
the
out.
good thing is just go back at home, greet them, then come back to the village.
Kenya is your second home.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kenya
Okay.
is my second home.
And maybe it's gonna be the first home.
No, this is the second home. Where you born? It's your first home. Kenya is your second home.
Yes,
Yes.
that is true.
So are you planning to come back again when you go to Malawi?
Yeah, for sure.
When you go back home, greet your mother.
I will.
She's my biggest fan ever. I'm telling you.
Greet her.
Okay. Eh? Si mamake ana commentiga anaitwa Lipenga sijui what not.
Oh,
Yes.
your mom.
Fancy
Just follow
Lipenga.
YouTube even.
Yeah,
Wow.
Yes.
she's a big supporter, like way back.
Even right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, that's good.
Me, I'm telling you.
That's good. That's another secret. Maybe
Yes.
I'm gonna go to.
She knows you actually.
Oh.
Okay, Tonya. Me, I'm just go. I just bring Dorina here and then. Hey. Hey. I packed the door. I have Asante son. I have an pack the door. Acha basi nitoe. Pack the door.
What is this? Nasikia dume ile mama. Dike ngoma hiyo.
Chacha. The time is coming. You wanna do for me plumbing? Ose,
Yes man.
sema hello nikienda.
Si hata basi nitoe parking.
Anaenda nyumbani.
Oh.
It's about time to leave. Say hello.
Okay, what's up guys? I am _Sea over here. Thank you bro for hosting me once again to your channel. Happy to meet you at the sunrise cabin.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, continue the same spirit.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much. Subscribe to everyone, guys. Today this video it's all about shout out, guys. Bye bye.